Everybody, this is my new triple spinner, and it's got chrome steel balls in it, and it's quite a bit smaller than my other one I showed in my first video, but it's a really handy size, and this one really spins well. It's got an option of you can have the standard bearing, steel bearing, or upgrade to the ceramic hybrid bearing, which this one has in it. And I actually got one of these to spin the other day for almost 3.5 minutes. Can't guarantee they'll all do that, but as you can see, it's super smooth. And I do a special process to treat the bearing before I put it in there, and make sure that it's really long spinning and lubricated properly. So it'll spin for a good long time. We'll be sitting here a long time. If I let it continue, I'll slow it down. And if you have an air compressor, you can really make it fly. So I'll show you here. I don't want to blast it too much. It's for sale on my Etsy shop at etsy.com/RickRomerLighting. And this one's more affordable, quite a bit cheaper than the first one that I made, the gear spinner. I'm not sure what I'm going to call this one yet, but hope you like it. Thanks a lot for checking it out.